بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, guys. Inshallah, today we'll be starting the second video within this series of what I called it Zero to Hero. This is for, of course, for people that are just beginning to learn Arabic, for Arabic beginners. Previous lesson, we went through 5 different letters. And these 5 you can review them. So I would suggest before watching this video to review the 5 letters that we have went through last episode or last lesson, and make sure every video, before you continue with the videos, make sure in every single video you master the 5 letters. So I mean by that, I mean like you memorize it and you don't need to look at the text anymore. You're just saying alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, just off your head, right? It doesn't make sense anything. That's how we have to get to that level now. So I know I'm uploading every single week, one video a week, so that should give you a good kind of time to memorize it within that week. Till the next video, you'll be ready to carry on and memorize the next set of letters. So the approach would be just 5 letters each video until we finish the whole page, as you see on the screen. So let us begin. So now we've done 5, so this is the 6th letter, and this letter is ha, ha, ha. So it is kind of a hard letter because it kind of has that, how you call it, the ha part, it's quite strong letter, but don't put too much emphasis on pronunciation of the letter. I think that gets it a bit too more difficult for a beginner. We will tackle this later when we get to tajweed, inshallah. But for now, just try copy the sound as much as possible. It sounds like the H in English, so but more heavier. So this is kind of a heavier letter if you wanna use them terms. So this one is ha, ha, ha. Okay, moving on. 7th letter is a kha, kha, kha. So it's a kh sound, then you prolong it a bit. Kha, kha. Alright, moving on. This is an easy letter. So the 8th letter is kind of an easy letter. It's dal, 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 like the English letter D. So dal, dal. Alright, moving on to the 9th letter. This one is dhal, dhal, dhal. Right? So, in English we say there, over there. So it kind of sounds similar, so you can remember as the, just put L at the end. So the, kind of sounds similar. Alright, moving on to the last letter in this video, which is quite easy as well. It's ra, 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 ra. So it's a ra, like the r in English, but slightly different. Ra. Alright, let's now focus on the shape. So now, as we just went through about 5 letters, they all look very different, but like I told you in the last episode, you can group letters into their shapes, and that makes it easier to kind of remember how they look like and stuff like that. So the jim, ha, and kha, which is the 5th, 6th, and the 7th letter, have that similar shape, which in the previous video said it looks like an opposite S. And like I said, the dot kind of distinguishes the letters. So the Jim has the dot in the middle, the Ha has no dot, it's just the shape, and then the Kha has the dot on top. Okay, now the 8th and 9th have that similar shape of this kind of, I don't know, you can say kind of a C, opposite C. And the Dal and the only thing that distinguish is the same shape, but there's a dot on the Dal. And then Ra and the 11th letter, which was not included in this video, so I'm not gonna spoil it, but the 11th letter and Ra, which is the 10th one, has a similar shape. It's more open than the 8th and 9th, the shape, and then the 11th letter just has a dot as opposed to the 10th letter. So, all right. So now let's go over these 5 letters that we've done today. Let's go over them again 5 times and just follow on. Okay. So Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, 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 Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra. I think one more time. Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra. Perfect. So and one more thing to add is there's 2 things we have to understand. Is the difference between how the sound of the letter and the name of the letter, right? So we'll get into more depth into that, but right now we're just identifying the name, and sometimes we're actually identifying the sound of the letter. Yeah, so we'll try to understand that part later on. It'll get more we'll get to a point where we can understand that. At the moment it's not really of a big deal. Inshallah later on it will be a big deal, especially when we start to combine letters. So alhamdulillah, this is the end of this video, kind of short, 8 minutes. Inshallah we'll continue with the 5 next letters after in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.